not been home to see Jayden left for school.
Exactly. So how is she still at the hospital if she relieved him? If she relieved him, how is she still at the hospital if she relieved him? How?
What you say? What you say?
Well, if you can't ask me, I answer at the same time. If you ask me, just ask me, I answer. Can I ask me?
I don't answer. Alright, go ahead.
So if I feel like the flight land 2:30.
Alright, let me reason what Tiger minute. Let's do about it. Alright, Tiger. So she come in 2:30 in the morning, right? And we giving she 3 hours to reach by the hospital. So she reaching after 5.
No, so
and she relieved the mother.
She got the flight land 2:30, so 40 minutes pan that to check out. Or 30 minutes pan that to check out. The plane land 2:30.
Well, I was checking she out immediately and I wasn't even giving she time just to think. Alright, so what time you believe she reached in the hospital and relieved the mother?
Well, whatever she doing in the morning, I feel she get down to Mr. T in the early morning, and I think it might be even earlier than Mr. T. Like, Mr. T said that early morning, and he said 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is not early morning.
That was confusing me, you know.
No, alright.
Because Mr. T said she fly down and come down early in the morning, 9 o'clock, and relieved the mother, and the mother went home.
No. The mother never went same time. The mother spent an extra hour because Shanice said that.
Right, but Shanice was talking about the Friday night. Mr. T, when he said that, he was talking about the morning. He said Shanice come down, she fly down and come down 9 o'clock in the morning and come in the hospital and relieve the mother.
Yeah, but hold on. Relieve the mother doesn't mean that the mother leave the hospital same time neither. To just come down to relieve. Hold on. To come down with the intention to relieve the mother. That doesn't mean the mother leave the same time.
Olia, don't do that. I said what the people say. Mr. T said she relieved the mother and then went home. They left. That is what he said. Left.
Yes.
You see, the thing is this, everybody, everybody, and tell a reason. If we're not going to chip in, you better understand so on the day with Jitel. Because me and Jitel are reason not chip in and that. Like, everybody, guys, we can spend 5 minutes talking, you know what, all long when we can talk. Just give me and Jitel a second, because we have to try to make Jitel understand, because Jitel is not up to date like we. So let me try and make Jitel understand. And I go back for one of the, I go back to the interview with Jitel while me I speak here. So here what I know. Remember I know, where him say, when Jayden in school, right? Remember, say if we go work with what them say, we use what them say, you can't summarize on the ground. Him say, let me play it. So I don't want to tell you when I say, let me make him say what I say for you first. Hold on. Because him tell you one at a time, say, them that the hospital, them are and anything that the hospital when Jayden in that school, because I said where she was when, and she said she never, that's why she never see Jayden, because my tell said then that the hospital while Jayden in that school, so she wouldn't see Jayden. The only time. Right.
He said she was at Spur Tree. He said she was up Spur Tree. Well, but go ahead, play. But yeah, well, I want to pause between each answer he gave, right? So we can hear what he say and discuss what he say. Go ahead.
I'm gonna start get a headache, you know.
Easy Tiger.
What is this thing now, play?
Freeze up.
I don't know what's wrong with the one there.
Yeah, come out and go back in.
See this plus sign on your profile picture once you show market.
stepdaughter now. Because, remember now, you already year old everything on, like me and nothing. You already year old.
No, man, everything.
Everything go. So, where was she in all this time?
My stepdaughter cried on her, cried them on reach hospital.
Yeah.
Really see mother. You understand? She no come here. She no come around, sir.
So you can't defend her, not
no, but no, we can't defend her. Because Jayden was in school when she left hospital.
Yes.
When we left hospital, she left with the baby. And me and my wife and them are going home.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sorry, I tell you.
Tiger, pause 1 second. Tiger, pause 1 second. Did you hear just what he said? When he left the hospital, she left with the baby, right? Alright.
He and his wife went home.
And he and his wife went home. Did you hear that? Alright.
Yo, where was she at that time?
When no, we would know where Jayden go because they tell we the hospital.
You see that? You see that now? That's what I'm tell us. Him now say them in a series. He must say them mix up. When you know when the man asked him say that what him feel say the man say what Jayden they wouldn't come from school and he said they would know because that time them at the hospital.
No, that again, Tiger, that would tell us that he flipped from the morning to the evening instantly. So which one did the mother go home, the morning or the evening? You see, when did Shani come, the morning or the evening?
That's why Mr. Tono say we have to listen to the thing and start it from when him start about the key. You have to put the key at the very beginning and then work your way come up to that. And say, nah, go make no sense, guys. It's not a smoking gun. You have to put the key first thing and work your way. Come up, listen to it.
Shani and him friend named Tommy when in our area so was poetry at the same time. Professional because you know carrying no close family. So he just go as poetry up the tell about film white bars.
Yeah, but what about time?
You know, I remember that not early morning. Early morning part.
No, what we are talking about the time now when Jayden supposed to that school. Yes, until him got the local fast food place. Yes, and at that time you now were on the road.
Yes.
Hustling. Yes, and so that's now. But where were Shanik at the time?
Shanik and Tommy, that's poetry, yes. That's poetry.
Yeah, but the thing now, you don't know something that's poetry and that people ask.
Yeah, me understand what you're saying. But me carry the bunch of key go with Shanik in my hand right now.
No, I know, I don't think at the morning.
Yeah, what I know, we don't trade your pharmacy.
You see that? In my opinion, that is not a person I tell lie. Because when my man a chat, he said, no, hold on. And he remember the name of the pharmacy when bring the key. So, to me, and that's just me, and my opinion, that not sound like a one lie to me. But,
that's one definitely truth right there, sir.
Exactly.
I'll be telling you, say, early in the But the wife and them are still in the hospital with she. Yes.
So again, after what?
Yeah, you see what I mix up here in just a second. I remember I tell you before that he said they don't go home, and now he said the wife and them are at the hospital with she. Listen, you have to start it from the key and fix it come up. You have to start it from the key and make it make sense to you and fix it come up because they're all over the place.
Tiger, if confused was a person, Mr. T, make you confused.
No man, when Shadi got the hospital, we were here. When Shadi walked in, I was going to buy a soup. The hospital, so.
Alright, so that the
Then
soup.
they sell soup in the morning, Tiger. Then they sell soup in the morning. Them sell porridge in the morning.
How you sure say they sell soup in the market?
Yes. Afternoon they start soup. A porridge and tea them selling in the morning.
What porridge in buy? Probably don't know.
No, a soup he say. And now we change that. Anybody when know the hospital them are the stall them. Anybody when know the hospital are the stall them know say soup sell afternoon or evening.
Cute girl is porridge him out by. Leave him.
Really, that's hard.
Alright. So that meant to say, I know the parrot go after the key. Can I say, I know
Oh, Tiger, hold on, Tiger, hold on. We have to listen to understand, right? We have to listen to understand. Him say when Shanique walk in, two different stuff with the man say, you know. First, him say him give her the key out of the road. Right? Now him must say him give when she walk in. This is when she come back from wherever, you know. Wherever she go and come
Shanda,
back.
remember say she come back so quick that he can't believe. So trust me, can't
hold on.
When
This is
soup
why
ready, when she
it's
come
just
back.
time difference, but it's the places them. Shani go where she go, where she want. When him give her the key, she go wherever them a go. When she come back, he was now back at the hospital now inside. And
But Shanda, how that means that she come back so quick? Shanda, how she come back so quick that think you wouldn't believe they make it to spiritual?
Listen to what I say, but listen to what I'm not because me give you a key and you say you go spiritual mean you even go there, so. That's why him is amazed by how she says she go there, so she come back so quick.
Shanda.
But what me I say is this, right? We know them a tell lies in the midst of it. We are picking out the lie from the truth. Cause know him a say in at the hospital, know him they know, and I walk out, and this is when she a come back. Though.
But
So
Shanda,
no,
that in
after no
itself
problem.
makes no sense. Shanda, that in itself makes no sense because if I said I give you the key and you go and come back so quick, that is not gonna put hours in between the time. And for them to anybody who knows the hospital or knows even the stall them where they have on the roadside, a Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, those places, soup is afternoon or evening. So if me give you the key in the morning and you go and you come back so quick, that will never put you in the afternoon or the evening.
No, man. Earlier that man. Maybe about saying that maybe about school pass right into about 1:30.
Yeah.
So maybe.
See? Him say school over 1:30. And then look more. The time not work well. The time not working well. Because I feel like say when he give Shanique the key, Shanique come back. Shanique go wipe up and come back. Because you know why I feel say Shanique go wipe up and come back? Because she just come in. She just come in when she go take the key from him. She just come in. So she not go up there because she not see the baby yet. She just come in. So she did come back when himself it true. She did come back. In go at the TJ. Pick up yourself, bad bro. When time him said Shani's come back, Shani's take the key and go spiritually, go wipe up and come back for true. She take the key and go wipe up and come back. And when he come back, when he said Shani's a walk in, because when he give Shani's the key, he go back at the hospital.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to make sense of. Because that's what it sound like. That's what it sound like. I agree with you, but then listen to the space. There's a gap in between that is too far. Then you can possibly say it was a quick go that he couldn't believe. You know, it takes less than 10 minutes to drive to Spiritual Hill, and then that would mean 20 minutes. You'd have 10 go and 10 come, so 20 minutes. That would mean that this girl came back faster than 20 minutes. And that could never have put it in several hours.
Let me follow the key. Let me start from the key with your Tiger, right? So, alright, let me say the first thing he do was meet she the morning 9 o'clock and he give she the key, and then she went by poultry and she clean up and dies when she come back and relieve the mother or something. So that's how you're trying to say it.
Yeah, she never released the mother same time. Then was there for a while. Cause even the girl said the father and the mother. The girl said when she got the hospital, there was Demar, my father, and my mother, and they stayed there with me for an hour.
You see why that don't make no sense, Tiger? Tiger, you see why that don't make no sense? Where was Demar in the morning? You see why that don't make no sense? Where was Demar in the morning?
Maybe they don't tell us a lie, the girl I tell. They tell us a lie, she tell us she is into the life and time. When she got the hospital, she never see that.
Tiger, The lie is not just two. If you putting it this way, the two of them is lying. I cannot pinpoint that it is Shanique. You know why? Why it looks so? Shanique's story. You can follow Shanique's story.
Is it?
Yes, you can follow her story.
Tiger, no, I could be wrong. I think when I listened to the video, it had a point where he said he wife and them are left the hospital in the same scenario, you know. Like when he said she relieved them, however, he did mention the guy did right.
Yes.
The hospital. Me feel that after Shanice go buy chicken and kick him at all.
Well then, boy, Mr. T, you have to come and clarify yourself, because you mix up everything. And if it is anything we go to do, alright, it's like how he mix up this timeline. Anything we go to say or put in place or change it wrong or do it whatever or say that's how it go from that now how it go, we just going to be speculating and doing we own thing from there.
Mm-hmm. Now you get to where I'm coming from, Jitel. Exactly where I'm coming from. And that's what I said. Mr. T is the one that make the whole thing even worse confusing.
And Shanice too. And Shanice, because Shanice said she don't know who could have said the foot, bro. And them are
Tiger, I'm not disputing that Shanice didn't lie in the story, no. But you see, Shanice had a storyline that you could, yes, that part is not a part of the storyline, you know. That is a part of what the conspiracy that happened to her son. But I'm talking with the Jayden time frame thing. What Shanique said, it would have checked out if only we can prove her time frame, her setup and all that would have checked out. If we have a proof in our eyes that she did come in when she said. However, Mr. T's story show you.
Mr. T one could have checked out.
No.
We have a proof to go to the pharmacy and get the footage.
Tiger, listen to where me and you have a discrepancy when it comes to Mr. T now. Mr. T, he have too many things going on at the exact same time. You cannot pinpoint what was first.
Listen, Tamara would have started to it.
Yes, Tiger, you know what the camera will start out? The camera would only start out the time that he was at Three Angels message. Three Angels pharmacy. But it cannot point out the rest of the event that he also said took place.
Listen, me don't want the rest of the event. We just want the camera put the key in our hand. That's all we need. We don't need the other event.
That's true, because if the camera can put Shanice at Three Angels pharmacy at 9 a.m. in the morning, then Shanice's story is lie. So whichever way, you don't even need to do two of them, you just need to do one. Because if the one from the airport put her coming in the country at 2, then the one she's not gonna be at 9 a.m. at the pharmacy one. And if she's at 9 a.m. at the pharmacy, she could not be coming in at 2 p.m.
So let's ask her one question.
So whichever one you use, you're gonna rule out the story. Whichever one, you don't even need two of them. You just need, if you can prove that she was really at Three Angel Pharmacy at 9 a.m., then Shanice's story is a lie. You don't even need to go to the airport because you cannot be in two places at two different times. And if Shanique's story is ruled out, you don't even need to look at the Three Angel Pharmacy because Mr. T will be lying.
Well, it could be two different places at the same time.
I mean, no, two the same. No. Is it no? Jitel actually said it right. You cannot be at 9 a.m. You cannot come in at 9 a.m. and also come in at 2 p.m. So it's two different times, and it's the one person in different places. Because if you're in Jamaica at 9 a.m., it cannot be that you're landing in Jamaica at 2 p.m. So if you prove that if somebody can prove that she was at the pharmacy at 9 a.m., then that means her coming in at 2 p.m. is a lie. It's a lie. Yes, go ahead.
Oh, when the police them, because it's alleged that the police them verify Shanice at the airport. It's alleged that.
Mm-hmm.
So you're telling me now the fact that, remember that Mr. T talk about spiritual healing. Talk about but the police have verified that Shanice coming in at 2 o'clock and yet still a search.
So, Tiger, remember, key word in this.
Exactly, Tiger.
Okay, I have a good answer for that, Tiger. Remember, if Shanique come in at 2 p.m., the police still must definitely search Spurgeon Hill. Why? Who had a key to Spurgeon Hill? A family member have a key to Spurgeon Hill. It doesn't matter which of the family member. That is still enough for them to go search Spurgeon Hill.
Well, you don't say you're different.
How different? How different?
Let me look while say you just said to the wall away as a look while say one person can be two places at the same time. And Mr. T says Shanice got a Spurgeon Hill 9 o'clock in the morning. And if the police then can verify say she come down 2 o'clock in the day, it is impossible for she go a gospel take young gospel 9 o'clock in the
Right,
morning.
true. That is true, Tiger. You know, get what I'm saying.
What am I going to search for then?
Because Mr. T is putting Shanice there at 9 a.m. That means that even though Shanique wasn't there at 9 a.m., it's a possibility that Mr. T went there. It's a possibility because Mr. T had the key. It is a possibility that he could have do something and he's saying it's Shanique. So they're still gonna search because once the name Spurgeon Hill come up, they're still entitled to search the place, Tiger. It doesn't matter who they believe went there. They're still gonna search it. They're still gonna search it.
Okay.
They're still gonna search it.
Alright.
But at this point, I agree with Tiger. I know. All of them one by one and drill them. And Tiger, they're too confused and lock them up. Lock them up, all of them at the same time.
Yes, Jitel, lock them all up. Lock them all up. Yeah, I agree with that. But
Okay.
I'm saying,
Yeah, no way I said that. To me, you're not even buying that. Okay, you know why? If that wasn't the case, everywhere we call the police and we have to go search them. They have to go search Mega Mart, they have to go search a past house, they have to go search a school, they have to go search everywhere if that was the case. Because Mr. T have access to the school, allegedly. So they have to go search the school to them. The police them fight because the only way is like okay. It's like Jitel come here so 2 o'clock, right? And then me now, I got tell her say, me get Jitel something 9 o'clock this morning, and based on me say that you are gonna search this so in the fact that me tell her say Jitel come at 9 o'clock this morning, but you verify say Jitel come at 2 o'clock. I don't see that. I don't see the reason of that.
Tiger, as I'm saying, they have to search it. You know why? I don't think you guys follow in, like, I follow a lot I'm not talking about movies. I am talking about true crimes, like really things that happen. You see, sometimes you have the suspect, the person, you have the suspect trying to cover another, trying to sink another suspect deeper. And they will actually do